Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Karla. Thank you so much for joining me today as I decorate my 2024 Easter hot chocolate and coffee bar. I'm starting off by adding this pink hot chocolate bar DIY sign to my wall. Next, I'm pulling out my tier trays that I like to use to decorate each end of my cocoa bar. The first thing that I will be adding to this side of my cocoa bar, my tier tray, is this pink and white bunny mug from Sonoma. I picked up 4 of these last year. Next, I decided I wanted to go with a pink and white color palette, and so I'm adding this floral mug that I picked up from Marshall's this year for $5.99. The first thing that I'm adding to the top of my tier tray is this little tree that I found last year at Target in the dollar spot. The next thing I'm adding to the tier tray is this sugar and cream set that I purchased this year and used on my Valentine's Day cocoa bar. I love reusing items whenever possible. And this is the honey pot that also sat on my tier tray during the Valentine's Day season. Next, this is just a little stand that I found at Hobby Lobby. And I'm going to use it to display these Easter sprinkles. And the final piece I'm adding to my tier tray is this little wooden bunny that came from Hobby Lobby. And now that I've finished decorating the right side of my cocoa bar, I'm about to move over to the other end. The first thing that I'm adding is a bunny mug that came from Target. It's from the Threshold brand. I thought about getting another set from Sonoma, but these little bunnies were just a fraction of the price. They were only $5 a piece. And again, to add in this pop of pink, I'm adding these floral mugs that came from Marshall's. And again, on the top of my tier tray, I'm starting off by adding a little greenery, same tree from Target. And here I'm setting up to display my chocolate sprinkles. The next thing that I'm adding to my tier tray are these Ray Dunn Happy Easter disposable cups that I found at Marshall's. The package was $4.99. Here I decided I wanted to add a little height inside this cup, so I'm pushing in a little Ross bag and then sprinkling in some Easter grass. And last but not least, I'm going to add some little silver spoons to stir my coffee and cocoa. And I thought they'd look adorable inside of the mug. And again, I have a matching wooden bunny from Hobby Lobby. Here's my pink Chulux. I decided to reuse this heart-shaped stand to display my bunny glass canisters. These canisters I picked up at Hobby Lobby last year. They were originally $11.99, but I got an additional 40% off. The first thing I'll be storing inside of these glass canisters is this hot cinnamon spice tea. It can be found at the Barnes & Noble Cafe. It's truly one of my favorite hot teas. Next, I'll be storing some hot cocoa pods. The ones that I use come from Amazon. And in this final glass canister, I'll be storing some Hoppy Easter pink and white marshmallows from TJ Maxx. They're shaped just like little rabbits. This adorable carrot tray was found at Marshall's last year for $9.99. I thought it would be a perfect addition to my coffee bar this year with the bunny theme. Here I'm going to store my leftover Hershey Kisses from my Galentine's party. I just removed all of the red wrapped Hershey Kisses and decided to sprinkle in just the pink and the silver. I found these adorable carrot napkins at Marshall's for $3.99. I just had to add these to my cocoa bar. Thank you again for stopping by and joining me as I decorated my Easter hot cocoa bar. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I'd like to wish everyone a happy Easter season. See you next time.